Dan Reeves' a new friend, Kerry Collins, third-string quarterback now for the Saints. Hey, Jamal Anderson, first-string running back for the Falcons, 31 yards, and look at the play he makes to make it 10-7 Atlanta in the second quarter.
And you're going to get another bird's-eye view of it here from the defensive perspective. He breaks it to the outside, and when he gets to the 5-yard line, he's not going to be denied the end zone.
Anderson, 132 yards rushing on 25 carries. Chris Chandler. Here's one of the least-known stats in football. Chandler to Tony Martin, 45-yard touchdown, 17-7 Falcons, 18 straight games that Chandler has thrown a touchdown pass. Later in the second quarter, his day would end when he gets hammered by Mark Fields on the field. So, Steve DeBerg is the backup. 44-year-old Steve DeBerg has to warm up immediately. Look at it again, and it hurts to watch. Chandler's been oft injured. I mean, that's a tough bruised ribs, sprained left shoulder. They'll see how treatment responds this week, but he was gone. They haven't won a game which he started and left. It would change today, although Steve DeBerg sacked first series, third quarter safety by Wayne Martin. Only 17-16 Atlanta now. Falcons, third quarter, minus 15 yards. The Saints taking victory on the road. Third quarter. Former Falcon quarterback, now Saint Billy Joe Tolliver. Pitch to Lamar Smith. It's a fumble. Cornelius Bennett recovers for Atlanta. Kerry Collins watching as the Saints have lost 3 fumbles at this time. Still a 17-16 game, though. And Steve DeBerg, the oldest player since George Blanda, to Bob's sister, Christian. Touchdown! 24-16, his first TD pass in 5 years since '93. Congratulations, Bergie. Tolliver, back to pass. Picked off by Eugene Robinson from
Hartford, Connecticut.
He takes it to the 10, to the 5, touchdown, his 50th career interception. He's the active leader, and the Falcons lead 31-16. Tolliver, though, Saints stay in it. Keith Poole swims for 82 yards. Touchdown, 31-23. You know what's coming with 3 and change to go. Onside kick, Saints ball, but it didn't go 10 yards. So, Bobby April special teams have to redo it. Saints try it again. Doug Bryan kicks it away from coverage. One problem. Tim Dwight, he was the leader in college in this category last year, made some pay, returns it all the way to the 50. The Falcons ran out the clock. 2 guys that were together a long time ago. Coach Landry and Dallas, a lot of respect for each other, a lot of respect for what both